So for movies, it's 7.5 lakhs per year. For short films, it's 2 lakhs per year. For international award winner before 2010, so the amount will be for movies, it's 4 lakhs per year. For short films, it's 90,000 per year. For national award winner, which is after 2010, it's 5 lakhs per year, movies. For short films, it's 1 lakh per year. For national award winner before 2010, it's 3 lakhs per year for movies, and for short films, it's 75,000. Then we are coming to the other categories like decade wise. So the movies which are released after 2020, keeping it as 5 lakhs per year. And for short films, it's 1 lakh per year. For between 2010 to 2019, it's 3 lakhs per year for movies and 80,000 for short films. For between 2000 to 2009, the movies will be 2 lakhs per year and 60,000 for short films. Between 1990 to 1999, the movie will be 1 lakh per year, and for short films it's 50,000 per year. And the movies which are before 1990, we are not classifying it on the basis of decade now. So before 1990, it's 45,000 per year, and for short films it's 35,000 per year. So that is the basic remuneration part for the films and short films.
So this amount will be paid in one shot or?